Hello, I am going to Kashmir. Since my boards are over, I'm going on a trip and my flight is at like 7 in the morning, which means I have to get up at like 4 and we have to leave at 5. Bro, Pune flight timings are so odd, I swear. I'm so excited and I'll see you all in the morning. My social anxiety is literally kicking in right now. मुझे अपने घर जाना है. Hi. So like it's been 2 days since we've been here, but we got time ही नहीं मिला video बनाने का. Like we came day before yesterday and we reached evening में. So I was feeling very lazy. Plus I feel very shy to record in front of my family. We are in Srinagar today and we're going to Sonamarg by road. I think it's going to take like 2-3 hours. And yesterday we went to Gulmarg. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Like भाई बहुत सुंदर है. Genuinely like जाने की जगह है वो. The famous attraction in Gulmarg is the gondola ride. And bhai, we woke up at like 5 in the morning and we left from here for Gulmarg from Srinagar. And like I don't know, bro. There were like no lines and everyone's just pushing each other to just get in. And udhar ticket milna is like difficult. Okay, it is genuinely very very difficult. And online हमने try किया, but we didn't get it. So we went there in 5 in the morning. Our tour guide said that if we go in the 5 in the morning, ticket मिल जाएगा. So we went and we got it. Okay, but getting there was such a task. Like first you have to go and ऊपर में like people are fighting, you know, people are pushing each other and everything.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Still, even after you get the ticket, you have to stand in line. But bro, it was seriously worth it. It's so pretty. Then we went upar and we did snowmobile and skiing and we saw K2, Kanchenjunga, if I'm not wrong. Read about it in geography all the time. I lost 1 mark in 8th grade for marking it wrong. But it was really really pretty. And it was so worth it. Mountains are happiness. I don't know, as a child मैंने mountain beaches कैसे choose किया mountains के ऊपर. Like bro, and now I realize that mountains are so much better than beaches. Like since the past 3 years, mountains over beaches, and now it's mountains over beaches forever. Mountains are so pretty. Like you know, it's just peace, like little peace. अभी boats खत्म हुए ना. Now I came here and now I feel like so good, bro. I'm not even joking. imagine waking up to this. I'm in Sonamarg today, and bhai, this place is so pretty. Like words नहीं describe करने के कि कितना सुंदर है. Like genuinely. And कल रात में it was snowing, and bro, I was sitting, I was thinking about people, what people say that if they wanted to, they would, and all that. I came here and I realized that, and I really stood by that, like if someone wanted to do something, they would. But then abhi, I realized that that's not true. Like I'm here in Kashmir, and here prepaid phones don't work, okay? And I'm socially disconnected. Like किसी से भी बात नहीं हो रही है, no messaging, nothing, and it's actually so peaceful. And I have no way to connect with anyone also. Like if they wanted to, they would is always not valid. You have to see the situation. Anyways, today we're going to Tulip Garden, Kali Khola. Let's see, bro. There's like 5 crore tulips over there in like different colors. Good morning. I'm able to shoot over there because it's like very sunny. So we're in Srinagar right now, and we're staying in a houseboat. And bro, as we go, it's getting prettier and prettier. Like, bro, बहुत सुंदर है. I don't have words. I'm saying the same thing all the time, but like yeah, I'll show how the view is when we woke up. Actually, last night there was a storm, that's why that came off, and then that also came off. I can't keep my eyes open only. And the architecture is so beautiful, like it's hand carved. Everything is like hand carved. Like each thing about this place is just so pretty. Like there's so much thought and effort into everything. We're going to Pahalgam and like a lot of other places. And bro, like as you go ahead, it's getting prettier. So let's see. Yeah, so as I was saying, ki as you keep like traveling over here, it gets prettier and prettier. Like it's like kind of unbelievable. Like it looks like a picture. It literally looks like a drawing, like a still drawing, But again, nothing is prettier than God's creation, na? Abhi, writing all those papers and all that, both ka struggle is so worth it. This trip is like so good. And I said, na, mountains are like my peace. And mountains are... Let's see what we see today. For a fact, I know that it's going to be absolutely beautiful though. Zero vlogging skills. And bro, this place, bro, it reminds me of Laila Majnu. I think the shooting was done somewhere here. So pretty.
टाइमिंग का बात है।
Good morning. I'm in Pahalgam and my hair looks destroyed. But look at the view. Bro, बहुत सुंदर है. Like it's so pretty. Seriously. And we're living upar. So like the view is even better and you can hear river ka sound नीचे का. Bhai, honestly, I'm so happy with this trip. Today's our last day. Abhi we're gonna go back to Srinagar, take a flight, go to Bangalore. We have a halt there for 2 hours. Then we're going to Pune. But this trip was so good. There are some things which I'll say after I'm back. But overall, it was really good. Like I would give 100 on 10 to this trip. If you know place-wise, the most prettiest place was Sonamarg. Like bro, the beauty over there. Like once you see Sonamarg, nothing feels like, you know, like every place has a different scenic beauty. And like Sonamarg has like the snow wala beauty, and then here in Pahalgam it's like summer wala beauty. So if you come to Pahalgam, you should come in summers, like in April, when it's like all green. Right now also it's green, but like yes, it's so beautiful. Like it's so beautiful. I really had fun on this trip. I don't want to go back home, but I have to. And 11th is starting from like 7th April, and results are coming in May. And now no trip. Now there's only going to be stress. Anyways, I'll see you all later. Bye.